the linked list, the double linked list is a struct with a field that can be integer or char and two pointers, one named next and the other called previous. This is typedef, so we can build objects like this, be list 1, list 2 and list 3. Now we created a list that has to be a pointer to a struct named node, and we assign this pointer value of null. And how we insert an integer, let's call it x, in a double linked list that points the first pointer of the double linked list points to a struct named node. We assign a temporary pointer, and with malloc we convert it to a struct. We copy our data and we say that the next pointer will point to the list, to the parameter of this one. This can be list 1, list 2 or list 3. And after that the list points to the temporary pointer that is a local variable inside our function insert. After the ending of this function, the temporary will be lost, but because the parameter, the first node of the list, is a pointer, we have been achieved to link this temporary node to our list, to our double linked list. And of course, if the next pointer of the temporary struct is not null, we can say that the temporary next previous will point to the temporary that we have been created. So in this way, we create a double linked list. Now, inside my mail, I create the first double linked list, and I get from the standard input MS-DOS application one integer. And I call the int function. The int function, what it does, it just while this integer is greater than 0, it takes the remainder with 1000, so we get 3 digits, and we call the insert function. We insert these 3 digits, that is a number, a whole number, into our double linked list. And of course we must assign the x, the integer x, to be the division, the result of division with the integer the number that returns the division of this number x with 1000 number. So if we do this sometime, at one time the x will be 0, so this while will stop. And we print the double linked list like this, very easy. All you have to do is print the data of this pointer here that points to our double linked list, and after that you can move to the next memory address like this. Now after I have inserted in the memory of the double linked list the two numbers, okay, like this, I create also the last linked list will be the sum of this, of the two, of all the nodes, of each node of the two double linked list. If we get the sum, we can store it inside our third double linked list. So we move the two pointers until they point to the last node of each double linked list, and after that, this is the digit that holds from the addition of the two numbers and we add the content of the two pointers of the two nodes that current 1 and current 2 are pointing, and we insert the 3 digits to the last linked list, to the third linked list. And we move the 2 pointers to the previous node, like this. And of course, now the pointer let's we have to assign this value here to the n variable, because sometime at one time the current 1 will point to the list 1, and the current 2, because we will go backwards, will point to the list number 2. So after we exit this while, will remain 2 nodes that has not been inserted into the third linked list. So I call this function and I print the third linked list. Let's run to see. I will not give a very big number here. I give one with 10 digits and one with 10 digits. And you see here the sum. This is the sum. If you go to calculator and add these two numbers like this, you can see it here. You can see the outcome is this. We lose 1 digit here, but if you want to create an if statement that says that if we have 1 digit or 2 digits, to add 1 0 at the first of the number, like a char, I don't know, char, maybe convert to an integer later. So that's it for today. Please subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.